All right, everyone, get ready, because today we are diving headfirst into the world of affiliate marketing.
Ooh, affiliate marketing. It's like the Wild West of the internet out there. Everyone seems to be talking about it.
Right. Is it legit? Is it a scam? Can you really make money online? We're going to find out.
We've got our skeptical hats on and our notebooks ready.
We are diving deep into a super detailed blog article called Affiliate Marketing for Beginners.
Love a good blog deep dive, especially one for beginners.
And to spice things up, we also have this really interesting YouTube video that claims to have a totally new take on affiliate marketing.
Ooh, interesting. So we've got like the old school approach and whatever this new hot take is.
Exactly. But before we get too far ahead of ourselves, let's back up a bit. For anyone who, like, stumbled onto this episode by accident,
Or who just needs a little refresher.
what exactly is affiliate marketing?
Okay, so imagine this. You tell your friend about this amazing new pizza place you tried.
Okay, I'm already hungry.
They go, they love it, they tell all their friends. Affiliate marketing is basically that. But here's the kicker. You get a little kickback from the pizza place for every new customer you send their way.
So it's like word of mouth marketing, but online, and you get paid for it.
Exactly. Except instead of pizza, it could be anything. Clothes, electronics, software, even travel deals.
And companies are actually willing to pay people to, like, promote their stuff this way.
Big time. We're talking huge e-companies. Amazon, Apple, Target. Even your favorite airlines and online fashion brands do it. They have these massive affiliate programs because it's a win-win. They get more customers, and you get a cut of the profits.
Okay, well, that definitely makes it seem more legit. But why, though? Like, why would a company choose this over just, running regular ads?
Because with ads, they're just throwing money into the void and hoping for the best. Affiliate marketing is all about performance. They only pay when someone actually buys something through your recommendation.
It's like targeted marketing on steroids.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's say I want to try this whole affiliate marketing thing. Where do I even begin? I'm seeing niche thrown around a lot, both in the blog post and the YouTube video.
Ah, yes, the elusive niche. The blog does a really good job of explaining this. It uses the example of camping gear. They basically say you need to find something you're genuinely passionate about because that passion will make your content so much better.
That makes sense. If I was going to spend hours researching and creating content about something.
Exactly. It might as well be something you actually enjoy.
Right. I actually own a bunch of camping gear, and I love talking about it. So maybe that could be my niche.
See? You're already ahead of the game. And the cool thing is, the YouTube video actually recommends starting with a niche where you already own some of the products. They say it makes it way easier to create authentic content.
So you're saying I don't have to go out and buy a bunch of stuff just to get started?
Not at all. Use what you've got. Share your honest opinions about the products you already use and love.
That's a relief. But what if my niche, like camping gear, already seems super crowded? The blog actually touches on this. What if there are tons of other people doing the exact same thing?
Right. It does seem like everyone and their dog has a camping blog these days. But here's the thing. As long as people are buying these products online, there's room for more voices.
So I don't necessarily have to uncover some, like, obscure hobby that no one's ever heard of to be successful?
Nope. In fact, sometimes it's better to tap into a more popular niche because it means there's already a built-in audience.
Okay, so I've found my niche, I'm passionate about it, and I own some of the products.
Yeah.
What's next? How do I actually find and join these affiliate programs?
Huh.
It all seems very hush-hush, like some secret society.
You'd be surprised by how incredibly simple it is. Like ridiculously simple. The blog post breaks it down into a single Google search.
Wait, seriously, that's it?
Yep. Let's stick with your camping gear example. You literally type in camping affiliate programs.
And then bam, just like that,
Yeah.
I'm an affiliate marketer.
Yeah. Well, not quite. But it's a good starting point. A lot of companies also have dedicated sections on their websites for affiliate programs.
Oh, that makes sense. Like a partner with us or become an affiliate page. I never even thought to look for that.
Exactly. The YouTube video uses Yeti, the cooler company, as an example. It points out that they have a really straightforward affiliate program.
And the blog post mentions that joining these programs is usually free. Right.
Yep. Totally free. You don't have to shell out any money up front to get started.
Which is awesome. So you can test the water, see if you enjoy it, experiment with different niches, no risk.
Exactly. And that's what's so great about affiliate marketing. It's very low barrier to entry. But here's where things took a turn that I was not expecting.
Okay, so I thought, all right, I'll learn how to build a website, maybe start posting on Instagram every 5 seconds.
Right. Get those followers.
But the YouTube video is like, nah, forget all that.
Wait, really? What do they suggest instead?
They're all about creating content specifically for Google search and YouTube itself. No website, no social media, just pure search and video.
Huh. That's a pretty bold move, like throwing out the whole playbook. What's the logic there?
They argue that the sheer volume of people using Google, like searching for stuff every single day, it just dwarfs any social media platform. It's like fishing in a pond versus the entire ocean.
Okay, I can see that. When you put it that way, it's hard to ignore those numbers. People go to Google to solve problems, to learn.
Right. Like you're actively looking for something.
They're not just scrolling mindlessly through feed, they actually have an intent, a need.
Exactly. And the video uses this great example. Remember that best camping kettle search we were talking about?
Yeah.
They're saying, think about what someone would actually type into Google when they're researching camping kettles.
Best camping kettles for backpacking, most durable camping kettle, things like that.
Yep. And then you create content specifically designed to answer those questions. Videos, blog posts, whatever it is.
So you're essentially becoming the go-to expert for that specific search term.
Exactly. And here's the thing. Remember how we were talking about AI earlier?
Yeah.
Well, the video argues that Google's algorithm is actually starting to favor human-created content, especially video, over all that AI-generated stuff that's popping up.
Which makes sense. I mean, Google wants to provide valuable, trustworthy information to its users, right?
Right. And they're saying that a video of a real person actually using a camping kettle, talking about its pros and cons, that's way more engaging and trustworthy than some generic product description written by a bot.
Oh, absolutely. People connect with other people, not robots.
Exactly. And get this, you don't even have to be on camera if you're not comfortable with that.
Yeah.
The video talks about how faceless videos can be just as effective.
Faceless videos, like
Yeah.
just showing the product and maybe some text on screen.
Yeah, or even a voiceover. It's all about showcasing the product, providing value, and letting your personality shine through.
I love that. It's less about being a polished influencer and more about being genuinely helpful and informative.
Right. So theoretically, I could just grab my camping kettle, film a quick video of me making coffee with it in my backyard.
You don't even need a backyard. You could be in your kitchen.
True. And that could actually be a good affiliate marketing video.
Potentially.
Right.
The key, like the video emphasizes, is authenticity.
Okay, so let's say I've created this amazing video extolling the virtues of my trusty camping kettle. How do I actually weave in the affiliate marketing part? Like, how do I get paid?
That's where those unique affiliate links come in. Remember, we talked about those earlier.
Yeah, you get a special link when you sign up for an affiliate program.
Right. So you would include that link in the description of your video. That way, if someone watches your review and they're like, man, I need that kettle in my life.
They can just click the link and buy it.
Exactly. And the affiliate program tracks that sale, and you get a commission.
And blog post goes really in depth on how these programs track everything. They've got like sophisticated algorithms and stuff.
Oh, yeah, they're tracking clicks, conversions, all that jazz. But you don't really have to worry about the nitty-gritty details.
So I don't need a degree in data science to figure this out.
Nope. Most affiliate programs are really user-friendly. They have dashboards where you can see your earnings, payout schedules, all that good stuff.
So it's not like I'm going to have to chase down payments or anything.
No, not at all. They usually pay out on a regular schedule, like once a month or once every 2 months, through PayPal or direct deposit. It's all very streamlined.
Okay, that's good to know. But I have to admit, I'm still a little hesitant about this whole no website, no social media approach. It seems a little risky, like putting all my eggs in one basket. What if it doesn't work out? I hear you, it does seem a little bit like all in on one strategy.
Right. And it's not like you have to ditch the website and social media entirely. The YouTube video focuses on this approach because it's super beginner friendly.
So it's like a good starting point.
Exactly. Dip your toes in, get comfortable with the whole affiliate marketing thing, and then you can always branch out later.
So like once I'm making money from YouTube, I could start a website, direct people there from my videos.
Exactly. Think of it like building a campfire.
Ooh, I like where this is going.
You start with your YouTube channel. That's your first log on the fire. Then maybe you add a website. That's another log. Then social media.
And each one makes the fire bigger.
I love that. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground. We know how to find our niche, join programs.
Create awesome content, sprinkle in those affiliate links. But there's one thing I still wanted to touch on. AI. The blog post seems kind of wary of it. Like AI-generated content is a bad thing.
Yeah, they're definitely a little bit skeptical. And For good reason. There are a lot of AI tools out there that can churn out content like nobody's business.
But it's all, like, kind of generic and soulless, right?
Exactly. And that's actually where the YouTube videos perspective is really interesting. They say that AI can't replace genuine human experience.
Because a bot can't actually use a camping kettle in the wilderness, you know?
Exactly. They can't replicate that feeling of like struggling to start a fire in the rain and then finally getting your coffee brewed.
So authenticity is still key,
Hmm.
even in the age of AI.
Big time. And that's what makes this whole YouTube strategy so powerful because you are showcasing your genuine experience, something AI can't fake.
Totally.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean AI is all bad, right?
Not at all. Think of it as a tool. Like, I use AI sometimes for research or to help me come up with blog post ideas.
So you're working smarter, not harder.
Exactly. But I'm still the one driving the ship. It's all about finding that balance.
I'm really glad we dug into this. Affiliate marketing felt kind of intimidating at first, but now I'm actually kind of excited about it.
Me too. And remember, you don't have to do everything at once. Start small, experiment, and have fun with it.
And maybe film some epic camping kettle content.
Exactly. Your journey is becoming the next affiliate marketing superstar starts now.
That's it for this week's deep dive, everyone. Until next time, happy marketing.